everybody, welcome to Motivational Monday, where in less than a minute, I'll give you tips and tricks to not only make your Monday better, but your week and even your life. Today we are unplugging. Easy, turn off your phone for 1 hour, relax and recharge. Medium, turn off all screens 2 hours before bedtime. Why? Because blue light inhibits the production of melatonin. You will get a better sleep. And hard, set aside a day for screen-free time. 1 day a week for the entire day. Do not look at screens. Do things that are really meaningful, that give you joy, that make your heart sing. I will see you next week. Bye.